Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be recreating Zalmi Plays thumbnail, so you can download all the assets and BSD file from description. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So first, at a background, if you want to know how I get this type of background, you can check this guy. Then I add this raft image, and with pen tool I cut this raft out. After cutting raft out, I fix raft edges. After fixing the edges and fixing raft shape, I distort it. Then I take copy of raft and scale it. Then with camera raw filter, I adjust the raft color. After that, I add zalmi image. Then I add rescue tube. After that, I add little zalmi. Then I add a rope, and with puppet warp tool I fix the shape of rope. Then with brush I make water splashes. Then I add text and camera raw filter.
A few moments later.